I use 2 full packs and a bundle and a half out of my 3rd pack. To create a 360 effect and to keep my crochet wig cap from sliding back in the front like it usually does with Stay Crochet, I braided 1 cornrow across the top of my head right above my forehead and 1 at the nape of my neck. I thinned it down to this, and I took out this much hair. I trimmed off this much hair. I trimmed off this much hair. Here's a close look at the hair so you can check out that curl pattern. Get an idea of the thickness. And here is actually 1 strand. You can install it like this because these are fairly small size strands. But what I was doing was actually making them even smaller and separating these in half. So this is the size strand that I was using. So my maintenance tips for this hair, definitely wear a bonnet or tie it up, some kind of pineapple at night, because this hair is really silky. It's not slippery silky, but it's silky enough to the point where if you don't take care of it at night, it can probably become twisted and tangled and matted. I've even been like sectioning it off and braiding it up before I put on my bonnet, and that actually even helps the curl pattern a little bit. So, and other than that, one thing I like about this hair, you can brush it. If you do find it gets tangled, maybe you forgot to wear your bonnet one night and it gets kind of tangled in the back, take out your Denman brush and brush away. When it comes to products, I count on my vegetable glycerin, just a little bit, and that helps with any frizzing and tangling. Some good braid spray, or really whatever works for you. A lot of people like mousse or whatnot, so whatever works for you. I just them glycerin-based products to me work really best on synthetic hair. I am planning on keeping this hair in at least 2 weeks, considering how long it took me to install this hair. But I will be back then with a brand new video and some brand new hair. That will do it for this video, YouTube. Thank you so very much for watching. I truly appreciate you. New and returning subscribers. If you haven't subscribed already, please press that subscribe button. That is all for now, YouTube, but you know what I always say before I go. Be safe, take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.